Good day everyone, my name is Johan B. Migreño and I'm going to discuss about English and American society and culture. So first, we need to discuss about England, about St. George and what is their national flower. So first, England is the place of English people, the British people. So, who is St. George? So, St. George is a patron, the saint patron of England. So, what is their national flower? So, their national flower is rose. The flower has been adopted as England's emblem since the time of the war of the Rose Civil War on 1455 up to 1485. Between the royal house of Lancaster, whose emblem was a red rose, and the royal house of York. So now let's talk about the religion. So England is an officially Christian country. Church of England, the official established Christian church in England, is act as the mother and senior branch of the Worldwide Anglican Communion. Based at Canterbury Cathedral, Roman Catholics are expressly forbidden from becoming a monarch. So the Roman Catholic Church re-establishing the hierarchy in England due to immigration. So immigration brought an enormous diversity of religious beliefs in England. Now let's talk about clothing. So in England, there's no specific British national costumes. While they have certain military uniforms, Bitfeeder or the Queen's Guard are considered to be symbolic of their Englishness. So, and they have costume for Morris dancer, traditional English maidens. Example of their traditional English costumes. They wear three-piece suits and neckties and bowler for British male. So next one is language. So English language is a member of the West Germanic language, involved from Old English, influence from Norman French, Latin, and Old Norse. English language become the international language of businesses, science, communications internationally, and diplomacy from 19th century. So nowadays, English language is very useful in terms of your business. They are so useful because we are able to connect our business internationally so that we can use English language to communicate. So now let's talk about their cuisine. So their cuisine has been traditionally been based on beef, lamb, pork, chicken, and fish. It's cooked with minimum establishment and generally served with potatoes and one other vegetable. So I guess they don't use rice for their meal. So those are their foods. And that's it. Thank you for listening about my report of English and American society and culture. Bye.